Do you want a market indicator with a flawless track record of nearly 8 decades? It could be a good indicator for an investor, or not. You decide. In 2022, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq all entered bear markets. Although bear markets and corrections can be scary, they're more common than investors realize. There have been 39 separate double-digit percentage declines in the S&P 500 since the beginning of 1950, and that's one correction in about every 1.87 years. But the big question investors want to know is, when will the correction or bear market end? And although I don't have an indicator showing when a bear market will bottom, I do have an indicator that will show when it will end. Since World War II ended, there have been 13 bear markets. And according to Ned Davis Research, excluding the current bear market, the previous 12 bear markets ended on average nearly 6 months following the declaration of a recession starting, as you can see in this chart. However, in order for this information to be relevant, the U.S. economy would have to officially fall into a recession. At this time, most signs appear to point to the likelihood of a U.S. recession in the non-too-distant future. So you decide if that's good or not. ChewDog out.